This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Edgar Monge. This well-maintained 3-bedroom/2-bath ranch with laminate flooring and vaulted living room ceiling offers many special features: stone-faced wood fireplace, skylight for natural lighting, storm door, sliding patio door, new ceiling fan/light combos, one-car garage with attic access and garage door opener with remote, stainless steel appliances, fresh paint throughout, new door hardware, and new bathroom fixtures. Also, spacious fenced-in backyard with storage shed. Your beautiful home is conveniently located near shopping centers, interstate, oceanfront, Oceana Commissary, and minutes away from Naval Air Station Oceana, Neck Naval Base main gate and Neck Fleet Training Center. For more information